Hello everyone and welcome to this live 30th of September 2021. My name is MB, I'm a forex trader, economist and forex trader for over 8 years, failing himself through life and through trading. I'm here to help you becoming a better forex trader. Let's go through the markets. Let's see what is up and let's see what's down. And let's see what's not even trending and what's not even worth trading. So, whatever I'm going to say today is only for education purposes, not financial advice, and whatever I say is only my personal opinion. Other than that, welcome to all the YouTube members first of all, and then to everyone else that is here, that is subscribed. I'm happy that you're part of the family. Let's make this an even better day. Other than that, I just want us to say happy trading day. Hope you are having tons of profit every single moment that you are alive. I wish that you have tons of profits. Good night from Malaysia, says Isan. I know that is far away now, but it's at least 3 p.m. Kenyan time where I am at, and let's go through some markets. So if you have some markets you want me to go through, please leave them in the comments, section, in the chat box. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, well, there is your choice. The other thing that I also want to mention out here is that dollar is strong, yen is weak, and the best potential trade for this day, I think actually the best day trade today would be maybe Euro New Zealand, maybe USD yen. Maybe we shall see through that. Yeah. Peter Thorpe is from Australia. Good evening, mate. And then oil is gonna crash. Ooh, look at that, Maki. Says oil is gonna crash. All right, so let's go through it then. I would say welcome to all 16 people of you. I feel like you are my family. I feel like you're my family. I'm very blessed to have you here. I'm blessed to have this community of you, every single one of you being here. And if you're wondering, what am I doing here? I'm only here because you are here, and we are together gonna make this world a better place. We're gonna spread some love. We're gonna spread kindness, and we are gonna spread education. So if you're here for that, fantastic, welcome. If you're here to spread hatred, not love, probably another time. We can do that instead. But other than that, dollar is strong, continue to rise. Up 94.42 at the moment. That's just what do you call it? It's just recognizing that where it is right now. It is a bit parabolic. Where will it go? Is the question today. Well, we have all the way back to COVID, and that is 100. That is back to 100. So we are at 94 now. We have tons of room to go higher on the Dixie if that's what the markets choose to do, okay? I hate coffee. Let's go! How do you join paid membership? Let's find your phone or your computer or whatever you have. Down below it says join on the computer, or on the phone it says let me see if I can find it for you on my phone. That's always fun. Yeah, it says join, or there is this money thing, support, how to support FX down here. Let me go and put up this one. I'm just gonna be nice Evan. Full screen, I guess that is. And then oops, down here where my finger is, that's my wife. That's not how it's supposed to be. That one there. That's where you click. And then you can go to membership. And there you can choose what membership you want to do. Alright. Great. Then, yeah. So, dollar strength is kind of, what we're kind of expecting at the moment. So, okay. It is what it is. How was my prediction for this week, I would say? Well, I'm going to do this in the weekly forecast, but spoiler alert. Boom. Sorry, boom. It is 100% dollar strength, yen weakness. And then for gold, for those who are interested in gold, yeah, it goes well. So I'm pretty happy with this week. Why am I happy with this week? Because I got profit? That too. But I followed my plan that I told you guys about. I did it in the lives, and I got 200 profit. 200 pops profit. What's happening right now is falling. All right, okay. But what am I going to do about it? I can't do anything about the market, but I played by my rules, got out where I wanted, but anything else. Oy. Okay, my music is too high. So, yeah, the dollar index going higher. Okay, so, you guys haven't mentioned any asset pairs you want me to go through. Are you guys, I know it's the same thing every time, but it's kind of nice. I can skip over something that is not interesting to anyone. That would probably be nice. And then Nasdaq 100 has what we call a range at the moment. As always, nice. It is a bearish. Okay, I can't even type, sorry. Bearish range. What does that mean? That means when you go down, 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 and stop, we are most likely to fall further until we break a higher high, okay? So you can expect a higher high if you are a bull, but then if you're a seller, you're like, no. This is my resistance. I want this to continue to be resistance, and it will probably do that. My Aussie Yen trade. Aussie Yen? How's that going, mate? Oh. So I can find my actual Aussie trade, and I closed it yesterday. I'm sorry for not telling anyone on YouTube here. But I can go and find my Aussie trade. It's empty, of course it's empty. Aussie Yen, I bought it at 80.12. Wherever that is, 80.12. I bought it here. There, I bought it there. That's 13. Okay, so 12 then, I guess. I bought it there. Aussie 12. 180.12. I took profit at or stop loss at 62. 80.62. So yeah, here. This is where I took my stop loss. The reason is why, Ivan. One, that is a pullback in an uptrend. That is a lower low I don't like. And that is the break of the lower low. So I got out a bit early, but at least I didn't go all the way down here. That would be my break-even point. So I got, I don't know. You can do the math, I guess, but I will do the math too. So there we are, 40, 50 pips. Nothing fantastic about that, but it is what it is, I guess. No. Yes, this week was so much percent in blue. Oil, hello. I'm in hospital waiting for COVID booster vaccine shot. Wow, Abbas, really? Hello, Farid. Good on you, Abbas. Please give 1 minute on oil. What happened there? And we will do so. So right now in Aussie, I would call Aussie neutral. I would give it a neutral state. It can be bullish if it goes higher. It can be bearish if it goes lower. So right now that could be your I don't know if you want to buy there, but that could be your buy. But then that's also your sell. So it's basically neutral at the moment. So I will just wait for the next move. And I hope it can go a bit lower, maybe down to 79.80, so I can take it higher in October, because this is the last day of September. Yes, sir. So was that a good one? Check Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen is here. We have done that. We are neutral. We have to wait for the market to choose a direction. Show us where it's going to go. If it goes higher, we'll buy. If it goes lower, we'll buy. So we're going to buy. Anyways, bye. All right. That is only what I will do, though. That's only what I will do. US oil, I guess. So I had a discussion with Sarmad yesterday. I think I could name you Sarmad. I don't have any. I really envy your entry. You sold here, which is which level? It is the weekly target, the daily target. Fantastic. The next thing that we talked about yesterday in the Zoom meeting, but was free for everyone on my Discord, if you're on my Discord, hey, that's where you go. And I do free advice in the evening around midnight my time. So that's like 7 hours from now. Is it? No, 9 hours from now. That's probably when I'm live. And sometimes I do it publicly, sometimes I don't. And I wanted him to sell here. He took profit at some point because he got scared. Okay, cool. But keep doing what I told you to yesterday. Just so I remember saying that publicly, so that we have a track record of your entry. That is awesome. And then that is also for everyone to see. That is where I want you to sell the living life out of it. What should your target be? Your target should be 72.50 area. All right. That is oil. What is happening on oil? It is currently taking a pullback because it already took profit on the week. It was a bit early. Now the question is, what is going to happen for the next time? Now, for the future, you have to now look into the month of October. What is going to happen in October? All right, where are we right now? We are very much in sell zones. And buy price 72.50 is the aggressive buy entry on the monthly. And the next one is 70.50 on them. And anything in between here is where you look to buy on the monthly time frame. Alright, let's see if we will get it. Can we look at gold? We can sure look at gold. Do not worry about that. But you guys need to be more active. You know, you are... Did grandma die today or something? Go on, boys. Or I didn't laugh enough. I didn't smile enough. I didn't give you enough jokes to laugh about. Sorry. But we had so much fun yesterday in the Zoom meeting. Wow, it was fun. It was 5 people, I think, at the mostly. Only 5 people. And it was tons of fun. Sir, with last day of the week and COT, you say seasonality bulls. I don't know what, but maybe something. But whenever I try Discord, I say invitation is valid and angry with me. I don't know fire rate. I can give you a brand new Discord link, if that makes you better. But you have been in that Discord, bro. So I don't know what you did to that Discord thing. Have you tried on online? But I think you're already there. That I don't know. I'm just wondering why you're getting an error, because that's not been given to me before. But it's 9 out of 10 times something on your side more than anything else. But sure, we can give some invite links. And if you already are in that group, I'm just wondering why you want to be invited again and again and again, because Zoom is paid, generally speaking, but it was free. There was a free thing yesterday. All right, it was. I do that whenever I'm bored. Okay, whenever I have time, that's when I do it publicly, and there's no time for it. There's no announcement. There's nothing. That's probably the fun of it, and the scary part of it. There is no. There's nothing that is, you know, it's not, there's no rules to it. I just do it whenever I can, because I need to be exhausted sometimes. I don't do it, and sometimes I'm just full of life at midnight, so I do it, you know. But, yeah, sure. What else? Gold, you see gold. Well, if you do gold, do you guys leave then me? You guys leave me, or don't leave me if I do gold with you. Okay, so first of all, we need to go through my Discord channel on gold, because I have posted some trading plans on gold. Let's see, gold trading plan. Let's take away the members list so you guys don't see those. You don't need to see those. But here we have gold yesterday. I said sell between... No, that was another one. Maybe it was the other one. Trade plans. Maybe it was here. That also was fun. Did I really not post it yesterday? I felt like I posted somewhere. Okay, anyways, we go back to the free one. 71.41, 17.47. Okay, and then for today, 70.31 and 17.35. That's what I said should be sales on today for today. And I posted that yesterday at 10 p.m. That is probably over 10 hours, over 12 hours ago, so you should have plenty of time for that one. And the gold update today is both are in profit, both are in profit, both are in profit. I don't know what else I should do with you guys. Okay, I show you what to do. I show you where the gold is, and the gold is there. All right, cool. The gold was there. So you should be in profit on both of those entries I posted yesterday if you took them. Mostly the best one is probably 35 somewhere, and you are, 10 ounces in profit, give or take. Another one is probably 6.5 ounces in profit. You are very much welcome. Okay? Right, mate. That's profits, bro. That's profits. Straight out of the books. Straight for you. I don't think I know what to do. What are you gonna do now? Are you gonna hold your cells? That's up to you. I'm not gonna give you that advice because that's your choice. But right now we are still bearish, and probably by tomorrow evening, and probably by 10 p.m. today as well, I'm probably gonna update that forecast or those price levels you need to look for in gold. But right now, at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, we don't have any higher highs. We only have lower lows and lower highs, so it's still bearish. So you can guess what's going to be for tomorrow, but oh yeah. Boom. Zoom when you need to look at refrigerators, renovation food, and politics. Yeah. That's when we have to go through all the pairs. USSR and Mr. What do you call him? We call him Mr. Harold. Did not take profit yesterday. And who was right and who was wrong on USSR yesterday, bro? Okay, we're still there. We're still there, okay? So that is the profit level for this week. Bada bim, boom. That was probably on Sunday or Monday, whatever I posted those charts. That was your buy entry. And that's your target level. So, bada bim, boom. Another one in profit. Oh my. Oh lordy, how good this week was. Kingsley says, please do Aussie Yen. Do you have... Does Aussie Yen have any correlation to DXY? Ooh, nice question. I would say no. But what has a very interesting relationship is dollar, USD, and yen. They normally, typically, in a general condition, move together. They become strong together and weak together. Right now, we have tapering in America, which is America's doing very well. That's why dollar is very strong. And then you also have the debt crisis, ceiling kind of crisis that is also very dollar boosting. Yen, Japanese economy is very bad at the moment. It doesn't go very well. It is not very good. So they are very diverging at the moment economically wise. So currently they're moving opposites. So dollar and yen is risk havens. The Aussie is a risk pair or commodity. So, for example, I would say Aussie, dollar, and Aussie yen is a very good play to do together. They, generally speaking, would move together in the same direction. Generally speaking. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but sometimes in the future. Generally speaking. Let's go through maybe, I don't know, last year. And we can go to daily. And then we go through December, I think it is, last year. Or whatever. Let's see. Okay, so we do that one. And then we compare Aussie yen. This is actually very interesting for everyone here, I would say. Because there we go. And then we take both into a line chart. And they're, generally speaking, moving together, I would say. Maybe some slight divergence here. Maybe a bit lower on the Aussie at this bottom here. Aussie yen a bit lower on the bottom. But generally speaking, the same price action. The only diverging is right now. Aussie yen is high. Aussie dollar is low. Alright. TP is 1528 on USSR for Harold there. Yeah. So does it have any correlation? I would say no, but yes. Mostly because dollar yen moves together, as I said, but then also right now it doesn't. Right now in this very moment it doesn't. Okay? Great. Thank you very much. Thank you for the question. Thank you for the question. Thank you for the... So, good. So now we can continue on with our lives. Now, going back to, I don't know. So, some guys said gold. We've done gold. And I've said I will update you on gold tomorrow or tonight on the on the continuation of this trend. If you're looking at a bigger time frame, we are currently in some kind of range. We definitely have support at around 1670, 1680 area, and we are slowly just going lower. Right now, I don't have any higher high. There is no reason to buy this thing, other than maybe your emotions, or you feel like you're missing out of a bullish move. This is not bullish, brother, sister, ladies and gentlemen. This is not bullish. There is nowhere near anything that would allow you to buy it. I will be very angry if you buy this right now. And by the way, I have been very angry lately, so don't make me angry. Okay? 10 minutes for US data. You're very much welcome to Kingsley. Powell is speaking today too. Yeah. So but yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe they have some impact, but not really much. But okay. We're going into euro dollar. Coming into euro dollar here, we have dollar strength. We have euro weakness, but most of all, let me take away. I don't know if I can do this right now. Do I have time? Do I have time? Time. Okay. Okay. Nah, man. I don't have time to take these away, but I would have taken them away. Visibility, maybe? I don't know. Style. I want to take away M5, R3 fast. But anyways, I can talk while I do it then. So, what's really happening here is... is that we have gone to take profit for the month of September. So that's pretty good. But another thing is that we are at a very low. So is that a place to sell? Is that a place to buy? Question mark. And then I forgot S3 and all those things. Okay, anyways. So really what is, happening at the moment? Not really anything good to say, but it is what it is, I would say. So S3 isn't supposed to be gone. Okay. Oh, well, I'm just gonna leave it then. Go back to that one instead. Joe, you need to help me out in making some kind of thing so I can take that away. Anyways, so sell, target, what are you going to do now? As a seller, you would probably look to sell around 1700-ish or 1750-ish before falling again. If this continues to fall, remember your risk appetite just goes higher the more it falls. So the target so far for October on euro is going to be 1400 at this moment. If we hit 1400 before 15th of October, there is going to be a reversal. I just believe in my life just believe that's going to be happening. So if I am going to be one thing out of there, if I'm going to have one takeaway here is don't do anything right now. If you are a buyer, for crying out loud, wait for a reversal. This could be the first bottom, by the way. How does a reversal look like? A reversal looks like this, okay? It looks like higher high, higher low, or double bottom, depending on 1 hour, 4 hour. Higher high, higher low, boom. Then, how does it look with these things? How does it look like with moving averages? Okay, so the moving averages, first of all, need to cross below this green line here, which is a 200 moving average. If you're just going to do moving average, so this is your double top, lower low, lower high, boom. Lower low, lower high, boom. Lower low, lower high, boom. Okay? If everything crosses around, give or take, the green line, the 55, the 21 crosses the 200, and that's not necessarily the rule, but I'm saying that's a very good reversal there. Okay? Do we have that right now? No. 200 is up here. So that's why I have made that one to be a buy entry, sorry. So if you're coming into October now and we are already at M2 for the next month, what do we need then? First of all, first thing in my rule is TP. Second rule is psych level, psych. Psych level right now is not a good level. It is, I would maybe had a 15.5 maybe. 1600 is up here, so it's a very, yeah, maybe. It's not really a good level, so psych level is minus at the moment. 3 is a double bottom. 4 is a higher high. Number 5 is your entry, higher low. And you don't have that right now. So right now, do you have take profit for the month? Yes, you have. That's the only thing we have right now. All right, so please, one more question. How does this fundamental information, how to get this before taking a trade position? There's a couple of ways of doing that. One is institutional research on FX Trade, which is news institutional research. But also, this information that I'm talking about right now isn't really, it's just knowledge that is out there. And, you know, you just pick them up, okay? It says physical policy here. There's a box for that. And then that's supposed to, at least, only cater for things that mentioning physical policies. Okay, so, and then in the end, I am mentioning so many times with you guys what I'm looking for, but I can go through a very important thing, or so like something very, very easy for you to see and do. So if we go through like this chart here, this article here that I get every week, I have signed up for ING weekly forecast, no, weekly ahead. This is for this week. And then it says in the top side here what is important for this week. Okay? The debt ceiling is important. Evergrande debts overhang is important, and then some economic indicators going to happen this week. Okay? There's going to be an election in Germany. Those are very important fundamental reasons for what is happening. And then if you go into SEB is also very great. They also have a very good one, I would say. The Swedish something bank. Maybe Swedish Economic Bank. I don't know if I'm allowed to share this with you guys, but I would do so anyways. And if we just make it a load, they say that this week will center around central banks, as there will be a lot of activity from Fed. Okay, we'll share you out here then, since this was too slow. This week will be centered around central banks, as there's a lot of activity from Fed, ECB, and others. ECB president, whatever. And here we have already the fundamental analysis information that we need for the upcoming month. What's important on a bigger level. And then when you read week after week, you take notes. What are they mentioning every week? What is like the blueprint in the end? What is the red thread? And then you're like, wow, this is what they're looking at every time. There's a business sentiment. That's actually very important, by the way. And it's very strong. It's going to remain very, very strong. That is very good for Sweden, by the way. You know, anyone that has a very good business sector sentiment is very good. And then you also maybe want to have some retail sales. And you can go through these reports every week. And you might not understand anything of these charts that is there every week. But tell you, if you start Googling on your free time, at night, in the morning, when you are just at the bus, what does these charts mean? What does PMI mean? How does that affect the performance of an economy? How does that affect your, where does it come in? And then you start realizing it is one of many indicators that is important, that has a forward guidance of what we're going to see into the future. Every central bank has a forward guidance what they're thinking about the future. Once you start reading about those again and again and again, and by the way, there is every week I do fundamental analysis. Every Sunday I go through this one, telling you guys what to look for. We go through the trading economics as well, which is basically which economic indicators, how is the economy, for example, in Australia right now, not very great. How is it going in Japan right now? Not very great. I'm only giving you guys the summary, I would say, But you guys need to also do the research. I can't do everything for you, bro. I'm sorry. I'm only a one-man show with 24 hours in a day, and those are live on Sundays at 5 p.m. Berlin time. But they're available, and underneath I put the links to what I've gone through. I'm supposed to, at least going through the links so you can go through them whenever you want on Sunday or Monday, and then you have your fundamental bias update every Sunday. I think that's very often, by the way. But also, you learn so much every single week. Alright? Good to be here, Barnold. Thank you for joining in, by the way. Okay? And now you're wondering, Ivan, does this really matter? How does this matter to my trading? I'm supposed to be buying dollar. I'm supposed to be buying euro. Why am I supposed to read that? The thing is, it tells you something about the future. Okay? Let me tell you something that I did which was fundamental analysis based, okay? This is one of the biggest strikes that I've ever had in my entire life. Okay? Let us go through it just for you to mention it once again, Ivan, okay? Just for me to rub it in, okay? I would call this move from 17.20. This move to this move is it's a fundamental move. And if you didn't know, actually no, TradeNix sold that, actually I bought it. And you're like wondering, how do you know that? Fundamental analysis. Where? How? Follow along. I prepared you guys, by the way, that day, and it was a magnificent time. And I think I got 10,000 pips collaboratively on dollar pairs and yen pairs. I was buying everything with both of my hands every single day. Okay? But then you have this move from January down to March, up from April, and May did not go as I hoped for, and June didn't go how I hoped for. But still, bear with me. I will try my best. Alright? Hello, Hassan. Hello from Malaysia. We're very much welcome. So, yeah. So what can you do right now in the forex markets? Technically, right now, I believe at some point in October we are going to be bearish on dollar. I'm not going to say, well, it's going to be no, but I believe, generally speaking, at some point it's going to be bearish. If it's going to be 1 day or 2 weeks, I don't know. Because right now, we are really setting up for a buy entry for October at the beginning. I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but I have to see it technically turning around. Now everyone knows what I'm hoping for. The next thing is, I mean, are you delusional? Why are you expecting dollar bearishness? It's not even bearish now. That's why I'm expecting it for the future. But if then dollar continues to become strong, continues to send euro downtown, I am going to be the first one to sell it at appropriate levels, but I'm going to be the last one to buy it, to sell it now, because right now it's not a good level. Then I'm supposedly going to some kind of economic calendar, because Harold is saying, Ivan, please go. I'm going. We have, right now, GDP coming up at 6.7. Higher than 6.6 that was forecasted. Ooh, boom. That is a strong one. GDP price index Q2 is 6.2, up from 6.1. Boom. Really strong numbers. And I think if this is not going to change, do you think this is going to change dollar? No. Not at all. There was an employment rate out of Europe today, and that was at 7.5, which is, by the way, not how far away from 7.1, which is the historical low or whatever low in the past years. So 7.5, it's not too far away from 7.1. So an employment rate in Europe is getting better, but did not do better right now. But right now, generally speaking, the trend is going down. That is absolutely great. Non-manufacturing out of China is 53. That is great. But MBS manufacturing is below 50. Not great whatsoever. GDP out of pound. 5.5. 23.6. Whoosh. That is hot. Hot. But yeah. So we can look into those as well. Retail trades out of Japan. Industrial production 9.3. That is also very, 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 very hot. Let's see. Just going to take a casual call here. No. Checkup. I am live. Important. Always take care of your family first, and then you guys will come first. Okay? The next one. So my wife just called me. I'm just wondering what she wanted. So in case she's about to die, I don't want, you know, that's dark humor. I'm sorry. So that, you know, I'm not going to be like, Ivan, you never call me back. Okay. Euro, I have mentioned those prices for you already, but I can do it again, I guess. That's always fun. And there we go. 1650 and 1700, probably prices that you wanted to sell, give or take. Or is it 1750? So at least 1700 is probably a good area to at least to look for sales for so far. Can you sell it right now? No. Pound dollar. I want this to reverse. Come on. Let's go on, boy. We can go higher. We are currently at 34 and some change. The question becomes, is this a reversal? Okay? Is this a reversal? Not at all, bros. Not at all, bros. So what is happening right here is that's resistance. If you want to reverse it, you have to do that. If not, this is going to continue lower. Okay? We're coming into October, sorry. I'm messing up with the month now. We're coming into a new month right now. Is this a good level to start buying at 34 and some change? Absolutely. Absolutely. That's a round number I want to see. Kingsley, I never got any feedback on your own view. If you enjoyed the information analysis that the information where to find fundamental information. That's all. But all right. So what do you do now? You either sell at 50, 35, 20, or you don't do anything at all. Okay, that is kind of your prices. Either there or nothing at all. Let's see if I can find a daily, maybe. I don't think any of these dollar pairs went to daily entries, by the way. So, yeah, okay. We are there now, but that's a bit high, but still, I think I would at least go a bit higher before selling it. And should you sell it right now at daily? Maybe. I'm not too interested in it. Yesterday did not go up to here, so that's risky. So no, I don't like it. Okay, you're very much welcome, Kinsley. Happy to have you here. Hope that you have subscribed to the channel so I can give you more information in the future, but also tell your friends. Okay, please tell your friends, because I'm here right now to try to reach those who are struggling, those who are really not being okay. Yeah, okay. So this red line here is why, Ivan. Is that my bearish price? I need to break above that before I can start buying again. Ooh, interesting. So this is still a sell, though. So yeah, and also this reversal here is not really a reversal. I don't like that reversal. But of course, if we go higher, I can take it higher. But and then remember, for the month of April, we are in the buy zone. For the month of October, we're in the buy zone. So I just have to mention that a couple of times so we all know that where we're going to buy. If we get some kind of pullbacks, well, that's very aggressive. So if we get higher, maybe we can get something higher. But I've also seen, generally speaking, we tend to hit M2 for the month of October. I don't know if that's going to happen this year, but we tend to. So can you sell this? Absolutely, mate. Absolutely. No jokes about that. And maybe a better price to sell off is actually 121, 151.82 or 152. All right, mate. So probably pound yen GBP sell area is 152, I would say. But that's if you're a seller. So right now we just have to see how things goes. If it goes higher, we start buying, and if it starts falling, take our profit and go home and come back another day. I tried to buy up here, didn't work. I tried to buy. Did I buy here too? I tried to buy here too, didn't work. So I'm coming back to my entry again, but maybe a reversal pattern there. I don't like that reversal, by the way, and I probably should have just bought flat out there, hoping for it. But did I buy there? No, I don't think I didn't buy there. No, so that could have done that. I'm a bit more weak in my belief at the moment on pound yen, because pound dollar has been falling so hard. It's a really a bit dangerous. So right now we are 70 pips above that, but if we can do something like that, that would be absolutely fantastic. Okay, are you guys loving it? New Zealand, probably nobody bothers, but that's a double bottom. Woohoo! Maybe that's a double bottom. Maybe. Resistance is definitely at 69.40. I will just take that away again and then do this level here. Definitely resistance. So you're hoping for something like that happening. But then if you're coming into this new month, that was the wrong one. If you're coming into the new month, you're hoping for a much better price, by the way. Either at 69.68 or 70.20. That's still high, but so if we get up to 70.28, I will probably hopefully have a small reversal, buy something here, and then see if we can sell it down again. Okay, it's probably the best idea at the moment. But yeah, fantastic. So I would love to hear your inputs, people. You guys are a very interesting crowd today. Did I? Yeah, it's a very interesting crowd today. You guys are normally talking the living life out of me, and today you are just, Ivan, what is happening? So what am I setting you guys up for right now? I'm setting you guys up for success. I'm setting you up, guys, for great levels to start selling from, or buying from, whatever. But also, I'm also putting you into trades that is actually, or not putting into trades, but actually calibrating your brain into good trades that you're actually supposed to be in. So that we don't sell lower lows like here, but we're just waiting for the good prices to sell up here, right? So at the moment, we are a bit waiting, but yen pairs, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? Well, it's kind of strengthening at the moment. And if it breaks this level, that would be great. That's coming into the sell zone, so, but still, I'm getting FOMO. Literally FOMO on real live TV. Okay. I don't like that at all. Okay. Skärp deg. For those who knows Norwegian, for those who know Norwegian, those knows Norwegian. But anyways, if you go for pivot theory, by the way, that's where you need a higher high, higher low. So you maybe buying tomorrow will probably be a good idea. But I would also hopefully have a lower price to get up. But it is what it is. I can't really choose which prices the market will give me. I will just take whatever I will be given every single time. JJ, yeah, JJ, I showed you a preview of the straight trading strategy video. So for everyone to see and hear, how was it? Like, I am 100% confident, maybe 99.99% confident. I'm gonna publish that tomorrow after my live. Tomorrow, okay? So when I go live tomorrow, Friday tomorrow, I'm gonna post that after the live, or as I go live, and then you guys can, So I don't know if you guys will be a little bit tired of that, but around 24 hours, give or take. Or I can just decide to not go live and just post that instead. And 23 hours, I will make my choices. You guys tell me which ones you want to do, but that's that. So CAD yen at the moment is very high. It came down to some kind of support, didn't break lower low. I'd never bought this one. I never claimed to have done it either. This can be a potential high double top. If you then look at the moving averages, for that matter, we came down to the 4-hour 21, I think it was. And then we have kicked off that red one there. So that actually tells us we're actually still gonna go higher. Until that's broken, we just have to wait. DXY is slipping a bit after the news. Yeah. Currently around price open for the day. Okay, all right, mate. Then Euro Yen, my beloved Euro Yen. Oh, okay, good. Okay. So for Euro Yen, what did I do there? I took profit yesterday and I didn't feel nice about it, but it went lower after that, and then it's kind of stuck in a range or stuck in whatever mud it has been given. So I really just want this to go higher. It's not really confidence that this was the level it came down to, but you know, I wanted to stop here and then continue higher. So right now I'm seeing a bit of a weakness in it. What do I want to see next is breaking higher high, coming back down, going higher, but I also maybe suspecting that they're trying to catch the central pivot at 29.44 at the moment to be the buy price. But I am, man of my word, I'm going to be buying 28.80 with the life of me if it goes down there. So that's the true prices I really want to catch. And if we just go higher high, higher low, whoops, I'm just going to go. If we just go high, whoops, I'm going to take away something here. If we're just going to go higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, that's also great. But until I have that, I hopefully can take it a bit downtown. You know, you never know, you know, Ivan, what's going to happen? Make your trade plans, bro. Make your trade plans. You are in control of what you do, right? You're in control of your actions. Don't be emotional about it. Well, what if it does? I've been in this game for so long, I don't have time to think of what if it does. I have money to make. I don't... right? S&P 500 for that matter. Let's see if it can prove my point on S&P 500. If you just got to load. Okay, so. Alright. It's kind of holding that low here, I would say, okay? Is this bullish? No, not at all. How are we looking for bullishness? Higher high, higher low situation, okay? So you got something here until it came crumbling down again, okay? You tried. Good attempt. Good attempt. Now you just have to do it again. And again. And again. And then your stop loss is hit and you're like, you lost $1 or $10 or 10,000, whatever it was. You're 1% of your account. But then it's going to go up in the end. But if it doesn't go up today, are you going to break about today? No, you're not going to break about today. We don't break. We're not a breakable family. We're a strong family with strong belief. And we wait. And when we wait, we are not losing money. We gain money because we don't lose money. Of course, it's a brain fart there. But if it comes down, don't you think? Because what is the general market? Consensus? Too high is one thing's being said. Another one is it is expensive. People says, hedge fund manager says it is expensive. It is too high. It should have a pullback. What does that mean? It equals, in sprayed out English, I will buy. That means that they will buy at some point. Crystal clear. You just have to wait for the right prices. Are you going to lose your account in middle time? Probably not. Is this going to fall 50%? What does it matter to you? We're going to buy it anyways when it starts going rise up, when it's going to rise again, all right? So September is a bad month, or a month of, well, not necessarily very good performance. And did that happen this year? This is 1st of September. This is a fall of 4% for September. Okay, cool. Then we have to get a discount. We didn't buy it at 45.40. We can instead buy it at 43.59 at the moment. That is a discount that I want you guys to take. But it all depends on the market if it continues higher. Same thing for Nasdaq. It is currently a low, not really a higher high or higher low at the support. But what if we can reverse this one to go higher again? Whatever the price will be, that is just our trading plan. Support and resistance technical analysis says we will find support at some point. We don't know if it's going to be 5, 10, 20% negative before we rise again. That's the fun part. But you know what the fun part is? When it rises again. Why do I think it's going to rise again? Because the governments, the Fed, everyone is entitled to make this one rise again. Coming back to my old trade that I talked about earlier, we are breaking a bit lower here, but pulling back again. But still, that is a bit lower. So if you sold somewhere here or somewhere there or whatever, within this 1 hour, you have been more profitable than if you did not earlier, okay? Then gold is coming back up to entries. Does that make you go break even? That should probably make you go break even. So I would call that a break even trade. No loss. Use the yen as I opened up with earlier today is topping out at the moment. Why is it topping out at the moment? Because for this week it has taken profit. What is it for the month? It has taken profit. What happened for the week? It has taken profit. What happened for the day? It has taken profit. Maybe let's see. Maybe yesterday, actually yesterday then. Yesterday took profit. So, do you then think, based upon all this evidence, daily, TP, boom. Weekly, TP, boom. Monthly, TP, boom. Do you think we might have a fall here? So we can take it up at a better, so people can take it back up on a better price? This is my new time, bro. There is a discussion in my Discord channel today. I made a poll there. And I asked, should I be live on New York Open or when I'm generally live at 19:30 GMT plus 2? And 8 people said, or 7 people said at New York Open, 0. That's just me, by the way, because I want to put it out there. Only me has said, I'm also in both, by the way. 0 has said we should be live at 19:30 GMT plus 2. But yeah, BE is kept, but you have gotten some profits, right, bro? So once it goes into profit, this is a day trade, by the way, you should not lose money. Number 1 game. The number 1 game. Never lose money. Oh, okay. Pound dollar is maybe reversing now. Okay. At least on a smaller time frame, still bearish, by the way. So we have a higher high. Woohoo! Morning, Ahmad. Hope you're doing fantastic today, by the way. And then Chief. What's up, bro? I am the Viking Pip Master. We're doing well. Congratulations on your profits, bro. Cheers. I hate coffee. It's almost like I get tics because of it. Yeah. Okay, you guys, tell me the assets we should go through now, and then if not, we will actually need to make an emergency cutoff here because my wife needs to call me. But yeah, I'm gonna be here with you guys, so you guys need to make it worth it. What do we need to discuss? What do you guys want to learn? Or if not, I can just go back and make the video. That's all. That's all. Coffee doesn't give you sleep. No, it doesn't. It makes you not gas. Gas. All right, 5.6. How does it work? How did it work this week? Okay. Okay, blew out of proportions. That one, okay. Can you guys hear the music in the background? That's always fun. Oh, it's too low for you. Okay, I'm sorry. Not guys. Yeah. Nah. Okay, everything is just blown out of proportions. 50 is buy and 50.03 is buy, or 50.0 is buy. That's what happens on that, guys. Subadip says your Swissy short side. Ooh, nice. So where is this gonna go? This is gonna go to the moon and up to 66.9. That's what I'm thinking for October. But I might be wrong. I might be wrong. But that's what I think. Okay. So I've given you two prices. That's on the monthly. Then we go down to weekly. That's probably next week. So give or take some short changes here. That is M2. That is central pivot. So somewhere between 5.7 and 5.4. I would go for 5.4 if it comes down there on Monday. And then up there. Gold. Let's do a big view now on gold. Not many times I do a big view on gold, but we can do big view on gold at the moment. We have M2 for the month here. Okay, that's up to you if you want to buy that one. Next one is sell prices. It's 1760 and 1780. It's the sell prices for October. Sorry. Sell prices for October. The question becomes, is it going to continue to fall in October? Well, that's all up to you. But right now it's a bit low. But do you want to buy here? For the love of God, please. I wouldn't buy. I wouldn't, even if you gave me $1 million, I wouldn't buy gold now. Alright. So that's kind of the things that's happening right now. If we go above 1780 up to 1800, that's when we can start thinking about buying it. Alright. Know your markets. Know your markets. Mr. Subdadeep. Hello. First of all, why? Second of all, which price? And third of all, why? Why is gold going higher? Well, there is this buying pressure for October. We are very low at the moment. It's the same thing for euro, is it? Isn't it? Pound. Yeah, maybe. So, yeah. Euro Swiss is short side. I wouldn't take it for the life of me. If you give me $1 billion, I wouldn't take it. Why would I not take it? Reason number one. Range bound. I don't do ranges. Why? I will lose money there. Two. They are normally going in a range, and if it does move, I have for the past 7 days not gotten any money in a range of 50 pips. So if I'm gonna risk 50 pips and I can gain 50 pips, why would I do that? Okay, that is one. Second thing is, I love you, Suradip. I don't want you to lose money. I don't want you to be that market. I would rather say, hey, Wait for pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen to go bullish. Those trends like the love of your life. It gives you 200 to 300 pips, sometimes more, maybe 1,000 in some point. 50 pips isn't worth 50 pips. Okay, you shorted 806, 80 what? 108, 616. Good entry. Okay, then I can work on you. Monthly. Target is definitely 107.8, but remember, we are coming into the buy zone for the month, so the fall you see right now can actually just be the entry for next month, by the way, okay? Where's your target? You should target probably anything else? 107.80. 107 weekly. Weekly is too far down, and we are Thursday today, so it can of course go down to 107.60, but I wouldn't believe it with my two eyes. Okay. Do you think we have reached the bottom of major pairs? Ahmad, I'm gonna have a meeting with you today on Zoom. Hopefully you will attend. I will record it. We're gonna go through that. We're gonna make some master plans. It's going to be epic. It's going to be clear. It's going to be crisp. It's going to be based upon fundamental analysis, technical analysis, sentiment. It's going to be seasonality. It's going to be fantastic. Hope you will be there. I will say that. Your face looks handsome. Aw, JJ. Aw, you're so cute. Yeah, so that was an oversold of a Zoom meeting, but I will try to make some fantastic content for that one. So yeah, and then Coco Black has subscribed. Very much welcome to the family. But gold probably gonna test that big wick around 1680, so we would wait for monthly sell price, isn't it? Absolutely, JJ. Absolutely, absolutely, fantastic, absolutely. The next thing that I probably would like to see here is reversals on major pairs before I start buying it. But it's always fun, you know, when that happens. And is there any reason for why dollar is falling now? We have reached target well and beyond for the week and the month, I think. So if you're going to be a buyer, this is weekly, so we are well above weekly. Monthly is probably also somewhere in that category. So you can probably buy it up there, but it is super aggressive. And you are mostly, like, if you go back in time, okay? Let's go back in time. You guys, you need to do this in time, okay? If you start high, here, for example, you can just have a waited for M2, really. And then if you started high here, you could have waited for central pivot. It didn't happen, sorry. And then you started super low here in May. It went a bit higher before falling again. Okay? We started super high here, came down to central pivot, went higher. But there is one out of, like, I don't know how many times here. 2 or 3, maybe 2 times throughout the whole of 2021 that it was actually a good idea to just continue buying at the beginning of the month. All the other times, you should just have waited. Okay. Salva! Hello, my good old friend. I was good with scalping, but now I'm trying to do swing trading because I don't have enough time to, but losing. Do you have any options? Do you have any options? Why is it? Why you're losing? Why you don't have time? Well, you need to. Well, one of these you can. One of the solutions I have for you, you can join a mentorship course, and if you don't want to do that, you should. You know, it's amazing. The other one is Because that's when I tell you where you should, why you should, and when you should, and how you can. I'll tell you all the secrets there. That's always fun. But, and then I would tell you to, you know, do your research probably around Thursday, Friday. So you can get entries on Friday and Monday. And every day by Asia Open, you probably should have your limits orders in. And you should, well, you always lose. But have you done my reversal trading strategy video? Let's go to YouTube. Let's find that once for you. And then I would say reversal trading strategy. IBAN FX. Come on, people, we can do better than A1 trading today. Here we are, reversal strategy. Posted 1 year ago. I probably need to redo that one. I'm sorry if it's not good enough for you guys. If you guys just... But that's what you mostly need. Oh, that was the wrong link, by the way. That's what you need to start looking at first. You need to be very specific about what do you search for, how do you search for it, and when do you expect it to happen. You expect to happen reversal patterns. I say that in my mentorship course at beep. That is the most important type. Oh, bro, I forgot. JJ, I'm sorry. I'm going to be live tomorrow as well, so don't worry. I shorted pound Aussie. Okay, that's always fun with those pairs. There we are. Pound Aussie. Yeah, Ethan. Thank you. But yeah, you shorted pound Aussie at whatever price that was. 88.11. Okay. Where is your target, mate? I would probably target that low there. Or, sorry, that low there. 86.36. That's already taken profit. You should take profit, bro. That's what you should do. Yes, you should definitely 100 million%. But that's not my financial advice. That is just me telling you what you can do. But you should have your own. You should have your own strategy. But I would have done that. All right, thank you, John. Thank you very much. So, how many comments do I have here? Yeah, 19 comments. Thank you very much, everyone. That is very clean and simple. Best reversal explained. Ooh, that is nice. Priestley says prices information. Ooh, nice. Those are nice comments. So yeah, thank you. Thank you for that. What is my also other people just being live? You will check that video later. That's very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, so I can see other people are also live right now. Not that that matters to me. But hope you guys, well, I'm not going to end it right now. I'm just going to say one thing, okay? One thing only, okay? If you want this live to be the best live, you need to first of all tell which currency pair you want me to trade, you want us to cover. Second of all, you need to tell me if you have an entries there. Third of all, you need to be included in its family and like, don't sleep off and be like, Ivan, you're so boring. You know what? I can be boring and I can be very angry. I can be very sad. I can be very happy. That's kind of what I would think is a family is about. We go through our struggles together. And then I would say also that I am deeply appreciative of every single one of you. I've been live for 1 hour and 8 minutes now. Probably everyone is now going home thinking Ivan is just ridiculous at the moment for being live for so long. I'm sorry. But I'm here to help you out. I don't have any entries at the moment. I took profit at 200 pips yesterday. I'm looking to buy looking to buy yen pairs. I will have a Zoom meeting today with my mentorship students before October, and I will be live tomorrow with you guys telling some of my trading plans for October. But that was too much selling point there. I'm sorry, but there is a link somewhere, ivanfx.com/p/mentor. Scroll down, there is different pricing points of how long you want to be in there. and I will do my absolute best, and I'm awake all throughout the night, all throughout the morning, all throughout the day to help you become a better Forex trader. Just ask Hardik, he is still there for for almost a year now soon. Oh, sorry, 9 months now. People have been for me. Ahmad has been there since March this year, so that's probably at least 6 months now. So very happy to have you guys there. Harold is also in there. Who else is in this live? Who was in the live at least? So ask them in this live in Discord, how is it really? That's my testimony. Go and ask them. Do your research. Do your research. There's plenty of videos on my YouTube channel. I'm going to try to make more free content if you want to do that. Okay? Until then, have a great day. Thank you very much for joining in. My name is Sam, Forex trader for 8 years. Still struggling, still trying to make it as a Forex trader. We made 200 profits this week. Bada bim, boom. Have a good day.